Inflation is yesterday's story. Look at China's economy itself. It's sliding into deflation. This is the fastest growing economy in the world for 20 years, sliding into deflation. If you're thinking that you shouldn't be investing in real estate because of inflation, that's yesterday's news, right? We already know that inflation was flat in October. We know it was, the numbers that came out 2 days ago were incredible. To me, I think what is key is that investors understand this, that the biggest thing that's stopping you, I'm not talking about Mission 10K, I'm talking about you as a real estate investor. The biggest thing that's stopping you is inflation is high. That's terrible for you to think about that. Inflation is actually very low right now. It's even lower than 2%. And it's going down in every way. Look at the price of oil, right? So I'm going to go to 1 year, and you can see that the price of oil peaked here on September 28th, I think, 26th, and it was over $90 a barrel. Today, the price of oil is about $72 a barrel. So oil is going down. When you look at 10-year treasuries, right, which is a huge component of cost, I want to look at the last 3 months. Look at this. I mean, whoops, right here, 10-year treasuries peaked, and they peaked right around, let's see, October 18th of this year, 4.98. Today, 3.91. So they've already dropped 100 basis point, 1 full percentage, right? This is the price of a shipping container from China to Los Angeles. This price is higher than it was in 2019. In 2019, a shipping container from China to Los Angeles cost $1,400. Today, the price is $1,281. Inflation is yesterday's story. Look at China's economy itself. It's sliding into deflation. This is the fastest growing economy in the world for 20 years, sliding into deflation. If you're thinking that you shouldn't be investing in real estate because of inflation, that's yesterday's news, right? We already know that inflation was flat in October. We know it was, the numbers that came out 2 days ago were incredible. New vehicles down 1.4% for a year, and actually down 3.5% in the last six months. Look at travel. Well, actually, this is median home price. Peaked in June, 410. Today, 391, lower number. Let's take a look at food. Food basically has increased 0.1% for the month, right? But if you look at the last 12 months, food has gone down by 6%. Food is 6% cheaper today. Here's inflate travel, right? So travel costs are down here 12%. Airfares are down 12% from 12 months ago. That's 1% a month. I could keep going on and on. Rents are down in the United States. Rents are down here. You can see rent growth in the US was 4.8%, which is shockingly high. Down to almost nothing, almost zero. And I think that this number might actually in November or December cross zero. My message is this. People who are waiting because of inflation do not understand that that phase has ended. And now we are on the downslope of interest rates going down. Buy now because you're getting cheap prices because of high interest rates, and then enjoy that downslope over the next 2.5 years. Because for 2.5 years, rates are going to be moving down. They might move down quickly, they might move down slowly, but they will move down. And when you know a finite piece of information that is so powerful, if you don't purchase today, you're doing the exact same thing that you did in 2009. I can tell you this, Brett. In 2009, I was buying every single home I could put my hands on. And every person in my family was telling me that I was an idiot.